How many times do I have to tell you we're not back together?
Right. You just hung out and talked about love.
Jesus fucking Christ.
If I would have known you were gonna get back together, I wouldn't have done this.
That's a lie?
It's not a lie.
You know, Cassie, you have this fucking image of yourself as so sweet and innocent, but it's bullshit. If you're a fucking sweet person, you wanna fuck your best friend's boyfriend.
You two were broken up.
It's a comfort to nobody but you.
I can't do this.
Oh, what? You wanna go tell Maddie?
Yeah, maybe I will.
You're just afraid I'm still in love with Maddie, so you're gonna do whatever the fuck it takes to destroy that. Stop acting like you're being a fucking good person or a fucking good friend. This is about you getting what you want. You can get back in bed or you can fucking leave. It's up to you.
You know what you don't realize, Nate? Is I don't care what happens to me. I don't care how angry Maddie gets. You two shouldn't be together. You're toxic.
How would you know?
Because she's my best friend and I'm in a relationship with you? She's not good for you and you're not good for her, and I will do everything that I can to prevent that.
Maddie, that's literally fucking insane. Cassie!
See? This is what I'm talking about.
I said Maddie, so I'm talking about how fucking crazy Maddie is, which you can't seem to fucking comprehend.
No, what you can't seem to understand is I am crazier!
Yeah, that's not something to be fucking proud of, Cassie.
No, but it is something you should be scared of.
What the fuck? You can't fucking blackmail me into a relationship with you.
Blackmail means you don't have choices. But in reality, you do have choices. You just have to live up to the consequences of them.
This is a literal fucking definition of blackmail. If you don't do this, then I'm gonna do that. So fucking blackmail is this fucking
Okay, sure, it's blackmail. I don't care. It doesn't change anything.
It's fucked up.
You know, it's fucked up, Nate! You're telling me that you loved me and then going into being a relationship with my best friend.
What the fuck? What the fuck is wrong with you? What the fuck is wrong with you?
Okay. Bye.
Cassie, wait!